Hi everyone, for today's invention I will need the vehicle brake lines, a pin, a hand saw attachment, a thin drill and an awl. I clamp the brake line in a vise, unscrew the nut, and with the help of these pliers bite off the bottom part and take out the nut. I will need it. This nut fits the size of the pin perfectly. Use a caliper to measure and mark the center of the pin. I will make a mark with a core and additionally mark it with a marker. I insert the pin into the drill and fasten it. I clamp the drill bit that I selected earlier in a vise and drill a hole in the center of the pin. Clearing the hole, and with the help of the sander, I round off the end of the pin. I tighten the nut on the polished side of the pin. I make marks on the pin and clamp it in a vise. Using a handsaw, I saw through the incisions to the end of the thread. I insert a larger drill bit into the drill and increase the hole of the nut. Using a sander, I remove the burrs from the surface. I'll take an old wooden handle and drill a hole in it for the pin. I'll put the glue on the pin itself and fix the handle on it. It remains to collect all the blanks of our invention and add a nozzle for a handsaw. I will make marks of the cut and grind them off on the sander. I fixed the sharpened billet in the handle. I got a sharp knife that will serve perfectly in the household. It can sharpen pencils, saw wood bars, and much more. If you're interested in this idea, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you soon.